What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here in Georgia, Pooler, Georgia, doing the ride that Robert Simmons 1 year anniversary for YouTube. We were supposed to do the ride yesterday, but the weather was raining like crazy. So we're here today to do the ride on Sunday. It's a little cloudy, a little chilly. Everybody's bundled up. And we're here at 10 o'clock in the morning and getting ready to go to Tybee Island or something like that. It's a beach out here somewhere. So the ride's about, I would say, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So we got some people right here that came out and supported. Supposedly it was supposed to be about 30 bikes, but you know, according to some people, had to leave. So they, the ones who stayed behind after this, they're gonna be out. All right, so we're just gonna pass by real quick to show you the bikes and we'll go from there. All right, we got Virginia in the building.
Virginia in the house.
He got his, nice. Rob's new helmet.
That's it.
Nice. Got everybody here. She's all set and ready to go. The bike, nice. All right, guys, we made a first stop here at the gas stations at Tybee Island, Tybee Beach. Great ride so far. We did about, I think, an hour and change. And then we're going to do another hour and change. And I think we're going to stop by From Harley Davidson. All right, so what a great ride. Everything was good. You guys are doing great.
What's up, bro?
Look at this. How was the ride? How was the ride?
Good ride, man.
Yeah?
Good ride.
Nice,
man.
nice,
A little
nice.
cold, but I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm good. Yeah?
So we're going to continue on the ride, maybe get something to drink, go to the bathroom, and then check it out. Supporting Cycle Fanatics. Make sure you go follow.
sir.
All right, man.
All right, man.
See you on the next run, all right? So you guys know this is actually like a wrap. Here is the website so you guys can check it out. Like I said, this is a wrap. He showed me back in Tennessee when he had it done. Pretty cool.
You're already reading stuff. You're good. I'll watch you make U-turns. That's all it takes.
Robert, thank you for the ride, man. It was all good.
You got it, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Coming.
And the weather turned out to be nice after all. Good ride.
See ya.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are back at the parking lot where we started. What a great ride, great time. Thank you, Robert, for the invite. And we're always here to support you on your YouTube channel on your 1 year anniversary. So thank you very much, Robert, for everything. You've done a great job with the ride. These guys, everything was amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time the bikes so you guys could see it, because I didn't get to do it in the beginning. All right, thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And then we'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.